In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a 2x2 left leaning cable, which is right here. So you'll need 4 stitches for this and a cable needle. I just need to start out in this pattern with a knit 1 and purl 2, and then we will do our cable. So knit 1, we're going to purl 2, 1 and 2. We're going to be doing our cable over these 4 stitches right here. When you are doing a left leaning cable, you will need these stitches in the front of your work. So here's how to do it with a cable needle. You're going to slip them purlwise onto your cable needle. You're going to hold it to the front of your work. So you will drop this needle and you're going to knit the next 2 stitches from your left needle, making sure that you are tugging tight so that you don't have holes in your cable. Once you've knit those 2 stitches, you're going to return the 2 that you put on the front from the cable needle to your left hand needle. Looking like this. So you can see already that it curves and it does a lean. Knit those 2 stitches and you have just completed your cable. We'll do it again right over here. So in my pattern, I'm going to follow my chart, and you can find this pattern in the description below. It is now available on Ravelry. We are ready to do our cable again. We're going to take our cable needle, purlwise, slip 1 and slip 2. Hold it in the front of your work. You're going to take your needle and again, tugging it a little bit, keeping it tight, knit 1 and knit 2. From there, take these stitches back onto your left hand needle. 1 and 2. You are then going to knit those 2 stitches and you've completed your cable. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe for more fun tutorials and patterns.